GLS 63. Let's just quickly walk around it. Matte carbon fiber with Brabus right here. Beautiful wheels with matte black brake calipers with Brabus written on them. Matte carbon fiber mirrors, beautiful brown interior, stitched perforated seats, a nice matte boot, and a black Alcantara ceiling. Same in the back. And as you can see, there is a black side step right here, and carbon fiber, matte carbon fiber vent right here. This car has a huge F1 style diffuser with the standard Brabus exhaust tips, and then of course the Brabus logo, and again the carbon fiber vents right here. So this is the bi-turbo 850. One more cool detail, Brabus logo right here on the matte carbon fiber in the front of the car. Let's take a quick look.